Kids Word. Let's learn about animals.
Mag-aral tayo tungkol sa mga hayop. Bird,
Bird,
carabao,
carabao,
cat,
cat,
chicken,
chicken,
cow,
cow,
dog,
dog,
duck,
duck,
fish,
fish,
goat,
goat,
horse,
horse,
pig,
pig,
sheep,
sheep,
bear,
bear,
camel,
camel,
crocodile,
crocodile,
deer,
deer,
donkey,
donkey,
elephant,
elephant,
frog,
frog,
giraffe,
giraffe,
kangaroo,
kangaroo,
lion,
lion,
monkey,
monkey,
mouse,
mouse,
owl,
owl,
panda,
panda,
rabbit,
rabbit,
tiger,
tiger,
turtle,
turtle,
zebra.
zebra.
Great start, kids!
I like it.
Now, let's say it in Filipino or in Tagalog. Ngayon ay bigkasin natin ito sa wikang Filipino or in Tagalog.
Yay!
Ibon,
Ibon,
kalabaw,
carabao,
pusa,
pusa,
manok,
manok,
baka,
baka,
aso,
aso,
bibe,
bibe,
isda,
isda,
kambing,
kambing,
kabayo,
kabayo,
baboy,
baboy,
tupa,
tupa,
oso,
oso,
kamelyo,
camello,
buwaya,
buaya,
usa,
usa,
asno,
asno,
elepante,
elepante,
palaka,
palka,
giraffe,
giraffe,
kangaroo,
kangaroo,
leon,
leon,
unggoy,
unggoy,
daga,
daga,
wago,
quago,
panda,
panda,
kuneho,
kuneho,
tigre,
tigre,
pagong,
agong,
zebra.
zebra.
Well done, kids! You're amazing!
Fantastic.
Let's repeat. Ating ulitin. Ibon, 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 bird. Kalabaw, 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 carabao. Pusa, 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 cat. Manok, 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 chicken. Baka, 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 cow. Aso, 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 dog. Bibe, 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 duck. Isda, 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 fish. Kambing, 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 goat. Kabayo, 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 horse. Baboy, 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 pig. Tupa, 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 sheep. Bap, bap, bap. Oso, 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 bear. Camello, 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 camel. Buaya, 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 crocodile. Usa, 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 deer. Asno, 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 donkey. Elepante, 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 elephant. Palaka, 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 frog. Giraffe, 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 giraffe. Kangaroo, 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 kangaroo. Leon, 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 lion. Unggoy, 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 monkey. Daga, 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 mouse. Kwago, wago, kwago, owl. Panda, 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 panda. Kuneho, 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 rabbit. Tigre, 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 tiger. Pagong, 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 turtle. Zebra, 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 zebra. You're a fast learner.
Excellent.
Let's review. Bird, ibon, carabao, kalabaw, cat, pusa, chicken, manok, cow, baka, dog, aso, duck, bibe, fish, isda, goat, kambing, horse, kabayo, pig, baboy, sheep, tupa, bear, oso, camel, camello, crocodile, buwaya, deer, usa, donkey, asno, elephant, elepante, frog, palaka, giraffe, giraffe, kangaroo, lion, leon, monkey, unggoy, mouse, daga, owl, wago, panda, panda, rabbit, kuneho, tiger, tigre, turtle, pagong, zebra. Very good.
Awesome.
Now, it's your turn.
I like it. Bird, ibon, carabao, cat, pusa, chicken, manok, cow, baka, dog, aso, duck, bibe, fish, isda, goat, kambing, horse, kabayo, pig, baboy, sheep, tupa, bear, oso, camello, crocodile, buwaya, deer, usa, donkey, asno, elephant, elepante, frog, palka, giraffe, kangaroo, lion, monkey, unggoy, mouse, daga, owl, wago, panda, rabbit, kuneho, tiger, tigre, turtle, pagong, zebra. You're so smart.
Great job, kids. You're the best.
That's awesome. For more educational videos, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for your support.